Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a wallet address on Coinbase. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to remove a wallet address on Coinbase, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and get straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the website. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to go to Accounts tab. Now there you're going to select the wallet or account that you want to remove an address from, and then you're going to click on Remove Address. Now you're going to need to confirm the address removal and review the updated wallet's address list once it has been removed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a wallet address on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.